How to blur part of a clip in DaVinci Resolve. Let's go. Okay guys, so here we go. So here we have a clip that I want to edit. I want to have me unblurred and the background blurred. So the focus is on me because you've got bits of messy stuff in the background there. Go across to the color page, right click, add node and add a serial node. Ensure it's selected, and this is what we're going to be using to select ourselves with the windows. So click on curve, and I'm going to do just a head first because the head moves slightly differently from the body. Go over to tracker and press play to start tracking it forward. And there we go. Once it's done, go back to Windows. Now this is the bit I didn't know before. So if you click on add curve, it adds another curve. So you can track different parts of the same one. So add very roughly, obviously take a bit more time doing this, although you don't need to be precise. I'm just outlining the body and the book in this instance, just very roughly, and connect them. Ensure they're always connected. Now, as you see, we're at the end of this particular clip. So when I go over to tracker, you've got track forward, but you've also got track backward in track reverse. So if I play this, as you see, it's still tracking, but now it's doing it in reverse the other way, so it's still tracking it. Now that you've got everything selected, go right click and then add another node, but this time add outside node, and this means that everything outside the parts that you put windows around will be selected. I'm going to drag a blur over the top here, as you can see, and there you have it. Myself and the book are unblurred and the background is blurred, and if I play this through, you can see that it does follow me, especially with the head tilt at the end. So there we have it. I hope that you found this useful. Thank you very much to Trackmark Tutorials for pointing this out. That's a great video. If you haven't checked it out, check it out already. Link in the description below. So thank you very much as always for watching this. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you next time.